Hello everyone, my name is Paul. Welcome to Fun Grammar for Beginner program. Today, I will give you a lesson about possessive adjectives and possessives. Check it out.
They are from France. Their names are Clary and Françoise.
What's your name?
I'm Julia. Nice to meet you.
He's Italian. His name is Roberto.
It's a good hotel, and the restaurant is fantastic.
They are Mexican. Their surname is Romero. I know a very good restaurant in Paris. Its name is Paris Cafe.
Her name is Tina. She's Brazilian.
Lisa and Amy are American, but their husbands are British.
We're Mark and Jane Kelly. We have a reservation.
You're in room 22. This is your key.
These are our coffees. The cappuccino is for you, the latte is for Tom, and the Americano is for me.
I'm Sally, and this is my husband, Tom.
Are those your children?
No, they aren't. My children are over there. Peter is Karen's father.
Diana is Sam's mother.
Karen is Peter's daughter.
Peter is Diana's husband.
Sam is Peter's son.
Diana is Peter's wife.
Sam is Karen's brother. It's an old car.
It's a new smartphone.
It's an expensive sunglasses.
Their black blazer.
They're big houses.
This is a good book.
It's a beautiful day.
Amy's husband is very nice.
They're very difficult questions.
This is a cheap phone.
It's a terrible photo.
Maria is a very tall girl.
Our cat is very old.
This isn't a very good restaurant.
It's a very long exercise.
Their dog is very ugly. Italian bags are very expensive.
This is a very small room.
Thanks for watching.